My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. I worked 10 years there. I've been in 41 years in private practice. We just do IRS tax representation. We're really good at it. We do a bunch of unfiled returns. I just want to let you know, if you want to learn about me, go to 777irs.com. It's all one word, and you can learn about it. I've been on TV many times, been on Fox a couple times, ABC, NBC, CBS, News Nation, Newsmax. I've been kind of all of them. Today you're going to get a special opportunity to go ahead and listen to a former agent who both accepted and denied offers in compromise. It's probably a rare opportunity. You're getting a lot of people on YouTube just talk. They're talking heads. They work at offers in compromise. They boast about all your successes, but you're not going to go ahead and actually speak and listen to a former agent who actually worked the program. So if you would send your offer, if I had my job today, I'd look at it, accept it, or approve it. The offer in compromise is a very specific beast. It really is. Only 13,000 offers got accepted last year by the Internal Revenue Service. There's a reason for that, is most people don't know how to fill them out, and most people or companies you hire don't know how to fill them out. I think you as a taxpayer have a better chance of putting your own offer than a company, because most companies have aggressive salesmen that take your financial statement and then bill you because they already know what you have, and that's how that goes. Remember, only 13,000 offers of all the people in the United States got accepted. So it tells you you must go to someone who knows what they're doing, or you have very little chance of getting your offer in compromise. Whatever you do, don't go to a big box firm that you see advertised. They're horrible. I want to let you know, as a former agent, there's two things that are really, really important about offers in compromise. IRS, first of all, you look at everything. You look at the last tax returns, the age, the education, where the person is. You look at your LexisNexis, maybe the credit report, may even cheat and look at Facebook, Instagram to see assets that they have. There's a bunch of stuff you can do as an agent, but the IRS agent is going to key on two things. They want to know what your assets are. What are the value of your assets? You may have a lot or a little, but that's the key basis for the offer. Your offer is not going to get approved unless you're offering what the true value of your assets are. Your real estate is, your homestead is discounted 20%, but if you have, say, $200,000 worth of assets, IRS isn't going to settle for anything less than $200,000, so don't call me. The other thing IRS is looking at your income. And you know what? IRS asks for your wages. You know why? I mean, your expenses. You know why? They're curious, but they're not going to allow your expenses. They're going to put their national standards in. That's the standards that Department of Labor sets up, and they're going to use those in the categories of food and clothing, housing and utilities, car payments, and car expenses. So I want you to know that's part of the formula. So those two key things, your income and expenses and your asset, are going to drive your offer in compromise. Basically, if I see your financial statement, it takes me about 15 seconds to determine whether your offer is going to be accepted or not. You need to use me, fine. If not, you do it on your own. I wish you the best of luck. Give me a subscription. I always tell you everything. One key tip, so your offer doesn't get rejected: make sure all your tax returns are filed. If not, it gets rejected. And go ahead and make sure your withholding and or your ES payments are up to date. If they're not, it gets denied. I'm sorry, they both get denied, not accepted. Thank you very much for listening. I appreciate your time. My phone's always available to me. Give me that subscription. Thank you.